নিজেদেরকে ভরসা করো, নিজেদেরকে বিশ্বাস করো যে আমরা পারবো। হ্যাঁ, আমরা পারবো। আমাদের মধ্যে পোটেনশাল আছে কিছু শেখার, আমাদের মধ্যে পোটেনশাল আছে আমাদের ড্রিমকে অ্যাচিভ করার। কেন ভয় পাও? নিজের কমফোর্ট জোন থেকে বেরো, অ্যাকশান নাও, লাইফে অ্যাকশান নিয়ে শেখো। কারণ উইদাউট টেকিং অ্যাকশান it is not possible to you to get out your comfort zone. Hello my friends, how are you? I hope you are very good. Today I am going to discuss how to start to improve your English language. If you are a beginner, maybe you don't have idea how to start to improve English language and where to start, and that is the reason I have decided that I am going to talk about this topic. I am going to discuss where to start and how to start to improve your English language if you are a beginner. So watch the video till the end, and if you new to watch my video, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. So let's start. Today I am going to discuss how to start to improve your English language. I know in the beginning we don't have any idea where to start and how to start to improve our English language. First, I am going to say to each of one, if you are a beginner, practice to read every single day. I know it might sound scary, but you have to read, because reading is going to help you a lot to understand how to speak in English, because it has lots of assets about how to speak this language so fluency. That is the reason I suggest to each of one, read every single day. Read, it can be anything, whatever you want to read, but try to read in English language, because it is going to help you to understand how to make sentence, how to convert word into a sentence. That is the reason I suggest to everyone, if you are a beginner, read every single day. You don't have to remember whole concept, but you have to understand how to make sentence. It is going to help you a lot to understand how to speak this language continue. That is the reason I suggest to everyone, if you are a beginner, read every single day. It is going to help you a lot. If you are an advanced learner, you also should read, because reading is going to help you to improve your communication skills. Communication skills is very important. If you can understand that, then I think I don't need to say anything about it. You know how much important to you to improve your communication skills. That is the reason I suggest to everyone, if you are an advanced learner or if you are a beginner, both should read every single day. Reading is going to help you to understand how to speak this language out loud. Also, you will improve your communication skills. So read every single day. Reading is very important to each of one. একটা জিনিস বলতে চাই সবাইকে, নিজেদেরকে ভরসা করতে শেখো, নিজেদেরকে বিশ্বাস করো যে আমরা পারবো, আমাদের মধ্যে পোটেনশাল আছে, আমরা ইংরেজি শিখতে পারবো। অনেকেই ভয় পায় যে এটা হয়তো সম্ভব না ইংরেজিতে কথা বলা। ইংরেজি ভাষা খুব কঠিন ভাষা। ইট ইজ ভেরি ডিফিকাল্ট টু স্পিক দিস ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ আউট লাউড। ইংলিশ ইজ ভেরি ডিফিকাল্ট, ইট ইজ ভেরি টাফ টু স্পিক দিস ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ আউট লাউড। লটস অফ পিপল দে থিঙ্ক, বাট আই ওয়ান্ট টু সে টু ইচ অফ ওয়ান, ইট ইজ পসিবল। আমরা পারবো, আমরা যদি প্র্যাকটিস করি, আমরা যদি সত্যি ইংরেজিতে কথা বলতে চাই, আমাদের পক্ষে সম্ভব। ইট ইজ নট দ্যাট সো ডিফিকাল্ট। এটা অতটাও কঠিন নয় আমরা যতটা ভাবি। আমরাই অ্যাকচুয়ালি ইংলিশ ভাষাকে কঠিন বানাচ্ছি। আমরাই বলছি যে খুব কঠিন ভাষা, এটা খুবই ডিফিকাল্ট ভাষা, আমরা পারবো না। কেন ভাবছো ব্রো? ওয়াই ডু ইউ থিঙ্ক দোজ থিংস? ওয়াই ডু ইউ টক টু ইউর সেলফ দ্যাট ইট ইজ ভেরি ডিফিকাল্ট টু ইউ টু স্পিক দিস ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ আউট লাউড? It is not that difficult. It is not that difficult. We make it hard. We make it difficult. We think that it is very tough to speak this language out loud. But I want to clear one thing to each of one. Please listen it carefully. If other people can speak this language out loud, it is not their mother tongue. It is maybe their second language or third language. But still lots of people, they can speak so fluent in English language. How is it possible for them? How could they speak this language fluency? Just think about that. If they can do it, if they can speak fluency in English language, why you think that it is not possible to you? Why you think that it is very difficult to you to speak this language out loud? No, it is not that difficult what you think. I think it is very easy to learn English language. You have to trust yourself. নিজেদেরকে ভরসা করো, নিজেদেরকে বিশ্বাস করো যে আমরা পারবো। হ্যাঁ, আমরা পারবো। আমাদের মধ্যে পোটেনশিয়াল আছে কিছু শেখার, আমাদের মধ্যে পোটেনশিয়াল আছে আমাদের ড্রিমকে অ্যাচিভ করার। কেন ভয় পাও? নিজের কমফোর্ট জোন থেকে বেরো, অ্যাকশান নাও, লাইফে অ্যাকশান নিয়ে শেখো। কারণ উইদাউট টেকিং অ্যাকশান it is not possible to you to get out your comfort zone. Get out your comfort zone. Take action. It is possible for every each of one to do anything or achieve anything what we want. Think positive. Don't think negative thought. চিন্তা ভাবনাটা পজিটিভ করো, নেগেটিভ চিন্তা ভাবনা করো না। নিজেদের পাস্টকে ভুলে, যদি পাস্টে কিছু ব্যাড থিংস হয়ে থাকে সেটাকে ভুলে যাও, পজিটিভ ভাবো। লিভ ইন ইউর প্রেজেন্ট মোমেন্ট, বিকজ মোস্ট অফ দ্য টাইম উই keep think about our past, or we keep think negative thought which is going to make us demotivate, which is going to make us sad, which is going to make us so scared to take action towards success. That is the reason I suggest to everyone, think positive as much as possible. Another thing that I want to say to everyone, if you are a beginner, talk to yourself. I know it is very difficult part, but you can convert your native language into English language. I used to do that in the beginning when I start to learn this language, because I don't have so much idea how to speak in English. That is the reason I try to convert my native language into English language, and when I kept do that, I improved. That is the reason I suggest to everyone, convert your native language into English language. When you practice to translate your native language into English language, day by day you will improve. Day by day you will improve your thought. You will start to think in English, and when you can start thinking English, it is possible to you to speak this language out loud. Then it would be so easy to speak this language. Believe me, it will be happen. It happened with everyone. It also happened with me. Day by day I improved, and now I can speak this language fluency. Still I practice to talk with myself every single day whenever I get a chance. I do that a lot. Everyone who can speak this language so fluency, they also still talk with themselves whenever they have a chance. That is the reason I suggest to everyone, talk with yourself. If you are a beginner or if you are an advanced learner, everyone should talk with themselves every single day with consistency. It is also going to help you a lot to build confidence to talk with other people. If I talk about advanced learner who can understand English well, also who can speak this language very well, but they have fear to talk with other people. Don't get scared, just go out and talk with people. Talk to yourself first every single day. Practice to talk with yourself to improve your English language. When you have the confidence, it is for easy to you to talk with other people. That's why I suggest to every each of one, talk with yourself. If you are a beginner, if you are an advanced learner, everyone should talk with themselves every single day with consistency. Another thing that I want to say to everyone, if you are a beginner, watch English video. It can be anything. You can watch English song, you can watch English movies, you can watch English podcasts, lots of things. What you watch in your native language, try to watch those video in English language. There is lots of assets about how to speak in English. That is the reason I suggest to everyone, watch English video. It helped me a lot, because that is the only thing what I had in my bag. I used to watch lots of English videos. It helped me a lot to improve my listening skills. It helped me a lot to build the idea how to speak this language out loud, how they talk, how native English speaker talk. I learned those things. That's why I suggest to everyone, if you are a beginner, if you are an advanced learner, everyone should watch English video every single day. Whenever you have a chance, whenever you have time, watch English video. What you watch, try to watch those video in English language. So do these three things, definitely you will improve. Definitely you can speak this language fluency. You will have the idea how to speak in English if you are a beginner. And when you have idea, when you can think in English, it will be so easy to you to speak this language out loud. এটা কঠিন ভাষা নয়, এটা খুব সহজ একটা ভাষা। আমরা পারবো। নিজেদেরকে ভরসা করো, আবার বলছি নিজেদেরকে বিশ্বাস করো। It is possible to achieve your goal. It is possible to become the person what we want out of our life. So thank you so much guys for watching me. I hope you will like this video. and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, click on the bell, টার্ন অন দ্য নোটিফিকেশান। বন্ধুরা, যদি ভিডিওটাকে ভালো লাগে তাহলে চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করো, যদি না করে থাকো ভিডিওটাকে শেয়ার করো, লাইক করো, কমেন্ট করো, তোমাদের মতামত জানাও কীরকম লেগেছে তোমাদেরকে ভিডিওটা, তোমরা কি শিখতে পেরেছো, তোমাদের কি সমস্যা হচ্ছে আমাকে কমেন্ট করে জানাও। আমি যতটুকু পারবো তোমাদেরকে অ্যান্সার দেওয়ার চেষ্টা করব। সো থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ গাইজ ফর ওয়াচিং মি। আই হোপ ইউ উইল লাইক দিস ভিডিও। টুডেজ ফর দ্যাট। বাই।